gotta say it.
Social.
She can get a taste.
You know these artists love
She can get a taste.
You guys, I'm literally about to watch the Beyonce movie. Yeah. So you guys, right now, I'm gonna be getting some pizza and some drinks and some nachos. And I don't know if I'll be able to record some of the movie. I probably should, but I'll try to get some clips because I don't want to get red flagged on YouTube. But stay tuned, guys. So we will see how it goes. I hope everything turns out amazing. So I'm in the movies right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but right now I'm gonna be watching oh my god, I'm gonna be watching Beyonce Renaissance. I'm so excited, guys. It's playing.
I love you.
Oh my gosh.
Lift off and then come back and check. I mean, I'm one of one. I'm number one. Sing! Don't even waste your time trying to compete with me. Well, category. Too pricey to be touched. I think the mountain does. I'm stingy with my love. Ooh, baby,
Cozy.
On the front line, ready for war, go blue!
Whoa, gotta protect my way.
When I talk to my friends so quietly. So don't scared.
It's so crazy right now, love. It's so crazy right now. It's got me looking so crazy right now. It's crazy right now. Please, so good to say it right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. I took myself out to the movies and it was pretty nice. The movie I seen was Renaissance. It wasn't dark, it was really good. I'm shook, like it was giving a lot of energy. But yes, guys, so like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. I'm just gonna leave the video right here because I'm waiting for my ride. So thank you guys.
Gotta say it.
Social.
You can get a taste.